Hi, this is Dave Kipling, Keller Williams, Southern Arizona, Kipling Team, and today our special guest is Tom Heath. He's with CITI Mortgage. He's one of our preferred lenders. Tom, let's talk today about types of loans that people can get.
Absolutely. There are several types of loans. There's three major ones that people refer to, and you'll hear the terms conventional, FHA, and VA. And there are a few others, but those, again, are the most popular. Conventional loans are what we traditionally think of when we think of mortgages. You put a certain amount of money down, you get a loan, your credit score will have an impact on what type of interest rates you get, and if you don't put at least 20% down, you'll be asked to pay a monthly fee called mortgage insurance that will offset some of the lender's risk. That's a conventional loan. Big difference from that and other programs is that the lower the interest rate, the more likely you are to pay, the lower the credit score, the more likely you are to pay a higher interest rate.
Okay.
FHA is the second most popular loan right now, very popular with first-time home buyers. It allows more flexibility when it comes to credit. It also allows for lower down payments, as little as 3.5% of the purchase price. The nice thing about FHA is that once you qualify, you qualify. It doesn't matter what your interest rate or what your credit score is, your interest rate will be the same. The offset, though, is that you do pay mortgage insurance. You pay into a fund that offers insurance to protect the lender in exchange for the flexible credit criteria and the low down payment. The mortgage insurance is paid up front at closing. It's added to your loan amount, so you actually borrow a little bit more than you think than you would be, and then you pay a chunk each month, and so it affects it. The rates are very competitive, fees are very competitive. Last program that we're talking about is VA loans for veterans. Specific criteria to be eligible for that. The nice benefit is that there is no down payment requirements whatsoever, and again, if you qualify, the interest rate is not really affected by your credit score. You do pay a form of insurance to the VA administration, and that is added to your loan amount, so you actually never pay it out of your pocket, and there is no monthly mortgage insurance premium. So if you're a veteran and you have eligibility, it's a phenomenally cheap way to go. Is phenomenally a word?
It is. I
Okay.
like that when you use it too. Let me ask you a question. A lot of people are calling in and saying, can I get a loan because of this roller coaster economy that we're living in? Is it tough to get a loan right now?
I don't know that it's tough. I think the criteria, it appears to be tougher, but the reality is we're just doing more thorough investigations of borrowers. Credit scores are still flexible. Most lenders are going to go down to a 620 FICO score. Some will go below that. We have a couple of programs that will allow you to go down to a 580. So clearly there's some flexibility there. You have to be able to verify an income stream, and I think that's what's challenging to some borrowers that get paid in non-traditional ways, that the income does not show up on a regular monthly basis, and it's hard for a lender then to determine what their ability to repay the loan is.
Okay.
That's probably the biggest challenge that we're seeing.
Now you gave me some good news one time. You told me that some people that have gone through credit challenges, you have programs where you can help, in fact, repair their credit. Is that true?
Well, I don't like the term repair.
Okay.
We look for things that are inaccurate, and I can help people get an accurate score. So if there's things reporting on your credit report that are inaccurate, we can help you with that. If they're legitimate things that have happened to you, you just need to work through those. There are some ways that you can improve your scores, but if there's something legitimately impacting your credit report, I don't know if you can fix that, but you can work through that and get into a home faster if you work through it in a certain way.
Okay, good. Tom, thanks for your time. I appreciate it.
Oh, my pleasure.
Hope that helps, folks. Information on the types of loans and what you can qualify for. Give us a call, and we can hook you up with Tom as well. Thanks. Have a great day.